Feniex S-3017 Hammer Siren Review. The low-frequency beast that clears any intersection. Ever felt stuck with siren systems that just don't cut it? Fuzzy, weak, or way too complicated? It's frustrating, right? You're wasting precious time wrestling with unreliable gear, struggling to get clear warnings out, and honestly feeling overwhelmed by setups that slow you down. When seconds count, you can't afford to be held back by poor sound or confusing installs. Lack of motivation kicks in, focus vanishes, and you're left wondering if there's a better way to get the job done with power and precision. Now imagine the stress when urgent calls pile up, deadlines to clear intersections feel impossible, and your siren can't punch through city noise. Crushing pressure mounts, traffic won't move, safety's at risk, and burnout creeps in with every missed alert. That weak siren? It's not just annoying, it's a serious hazard. Every second wasted is a chance lost. The stakes are high, and you deserve gear that steps up, not drags you down. You need a siren system that means business. Meet the Feniex S-3017 Hammer low-frequency siren speaker system, your all-in-one, high-power solution for emergency vehicle warning. This beast packs a massive 100-watt output with deep, bone-shaking low-frequency tones between 182 to 1000 Hz that cut through even the noisiest environments. Its integrated siren, amplifier, and speaker design means streamlined installation with the included universal bracket and 8-pin wire harness. No headaches here. Built tough with weatherproof, corrosion-resistant materials and an IP67 rating. It's ready to withstand the harshest conditions. Compatible with any plus 12-volt siren. It's versatile and easy to set up. Expect crisp, powerful sound that clears intersections and keeps you safe. No compromises, just pure siren power. Why do pros swear by the Feniex S-3017 Hammer? Emergency vehicle specialists call it a game changer for cutting through ambient noise with unmatched clarity and punch. Tech reviewers highlight its robust build and effortless installation, while fleet managers praise its reliability on the front lines. Influencers in public safety tech rave about the bone-shaking output and deep, penetrating tones that truly grab attention where it matters most. Users report safer intersections and quicker emergency responses thanks to its powerful 115 decibel output and wide frequency range. The weatherproof design means it won't quit when the conditions get tough. Curious why so many agencies are upgrading to this system? See for yourself how the Hammer blends durability, power, and user-friendly features into one siren system that simply performs every time. Don't settle for mediocre sirens that leave you stuck and unheard. The Feniex S-3017 Hammer is in limited supply and flying off emergency vehicle racks. Join the thousands of first responders who've already boosted their warning power and intersection safety with this deep frequency powerhouse. Easy to install, weatherproof, and built for serious performance. Why wait? Secure your Hammer siren today and experience emergency response clarity that makes a real difference. Act now, because every second counts when lives are on the line.